Hello everyone, welcome back to Bootstrap Workbench. Today I wanted to talk about online resources and social media resources that will complement your ownership of the Icom IC-7300. The first page is on the Icom America site, and it's the product page for the IC-7300. On this page you have access to specifications, options, product gallery, the product brochure, the basic and full instruction manual, and a high-resolution image, as well as access to download the latest firmware for the Icom IC-7300. I have a separate video that covers how to update the firmware on your 7300, and I will provide a link to that video down below, as well as a link to all the pages that I am talking about today. The next page that I want to talk about is the G3 NRW IC-7300 resource page. This page was created back in November by Ian Wade, G3 NRW, over in the UK, and there are a lot of resources on this page that you can use to learn more about your Icom IC-7300 or to help you to decide whether you want to purchase an IC-7300. You can use the navigation bar here in the middle of the page to access various areas, including videos. Ian has graciously linked to a number of videos on the internet regarding the IC-7300 from a variety of content producers such as Ham Radio Concepts, Amateur Logic TV, Icom UK, Icom UK again. My videos are here, the Bootstrap Workbench videos. There are also videos by Steve Ellington, N4LQ, and by Rich, K0PIR. So there is a wealth of information here on this site. Now the following tabs are images that I took of the pages that I wanted to talk about on Facebook. I wasn't really interested in showing all of my Facebook information to everybody out there, so I took screenshots and I have them loaded in the browser. The first page that I wanted to talk about on Facebook is the Icom IC-7300. And for this group, Icom is in all caps. This group is created and admin by John Messara. There's a wealth of information here, a lively conversation, and John has also graciously allowed me to post links to my videos, and so I wanted to make sure to let everybody know that these groups are here and that they're friendly groups, and it's a great place to get involved in the conversation. John Messara also has a page on Facebook for the IC-7610. Same situation, Icom in all caps. And this radio specifically covers 7610 information. I don't have a 7610. I'd love to own one, but it's out of my price range at this point. The next page I want to talk about on Facebook is the Icom IC-7300 page, where Icom is spelled with a capital I and then lowercase com. This page is admin by Rudy Clays. I believe that's how you pronounce his name. Sorry if I mispronounced that. I've also posted links to my videos here, and I've received a good welcome. This group also has a lively conversation and lots of traffic. The next group on my list of recommended groups is the Icom IC-7300 users group, admin by Doug Bauer. And this is another great group. Between the three, if you have a question about the 7300, I'm almost sure you would get it answered, and in a short amount of time. I tend to watch those groups myself and provide assistance where I can. Now, if you have an Icom radio and it happens to not be a 7300 and it happens to not be a 7610, there's another group out there called the Icom Amateur Radio Users group on Facebook. And in this group, you can ask questions about Icom VHF, UHF radios, other radios such as the 7000, 7100, 9000 series, 718, 706, and all of its variants. Just a lot of great Icom rigs that you can talk about, ask questions about. This group is adminned by Dan, let's see here, R. Hellstrom, and there's a lot of conversation here as well. I've met some great people through this group. And between all the groups, like I said, a wealth of information and great community out there. And I would recommend going and looking all these groups up, checking out Ian Wade's page, checking out the Icom site, and getting that updated firmware if you need it. And just go from there, see what you can learn about the radio. And I also wanted to let you know that I'm looking for new subscribers. So if you're not yet subscribed to Bootstrap Workbench, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, share the page, share the channel with your friends, and let other people know it's out there. Due to recent changes in the YouTube partnership program, my channel will be demonetized sometime in February if I don't come up with just a few more subscribers. I need to be over 1,000, and I think I'm at 994 or so right now. So if you'd like to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And I hope you found this video informative. I also hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching.